Good morning, and to the Welsh contingency out there, bore da. My name is Gail and I'm really pleased to be here today. I'm invited along again by Justhands-on.tv, and I get to share with you my hedgepigs. So named by my sister, actually. So a hedgepig is a little hedgehog. So I'm going to talk to you today. Most people, when they see my pattern, they wonder how I actually make the little spikes on the hedgehog. The spikes work quite well for the little feathers, but they're really, really flat. And I wanted to make a hedgehog, and I thought, you know what? That's not working really well for me. So how can I make it sort of more three-dimensional? This one is made with beautiful flannel or brushed cotton, whichever you call it. I was lucky enough to buy this from Creative Quilting, and I just think, it's just so soft and tactile. And this one, which is one of my favourites, if they don't all fall down, this one is proper recycling. So I've made it out of all old shirts, some little leftover pieces from quilts, and an old pair of jeans.